must be wondering how I got here. Let's rewind a bit, shall we? Hey you guys, I'm Minal Raj and I'm at the Kempegowda International Airport Terminal 2 in Bengaluru. I'm on my way to Singapore to attend my best friend's wedding. I usually tend to come to the airport with only a little time to spare. But today, I'm here to check out the T2 terminal and to indulge in some pampering. And no, I'm not headed to the business lounge, but to the SSBeauty Store that has recently opened here. Welcome to this fun and indulgent edition of the Suitcase Insider. One great way to spend your time at the airport is to indulge in a pamper session. Now, lucky for us, SSBeauty is now giving away free blow dry, facials, nail services, and even a skin analysis for a limited time period only. Now, I'm opting for a blow dry service because my hair is going to look absolutely amazing when I land at Singapore. And I need to get my nails done too because I barely got any time to get them done before I headed here. I love how this store hosts brands that I've been waiting to try for a while now, like Laura Mercier, Dior, Lancome, Estee Lauder, Bobbi Brown, MAC, and so many more. Who doesn't need a Dior lipstick in their vanity kit? Picking this up for the bride? This is their latest launch and it smells incredible. I'm picking two of these, one for the groom and my husband, because why not? Now you know how I got here. I got some amazing products at SSBeauty that I could not resist and I had to shop. The SSBeauty store at Bangalore's T2 is a beauty heaven. I swear I walked in with good intentions, but these amazing products had my name on them. Luckily, I'm a packing pro and I had some extra space in my bag. Phew, but seriously, this store is a must visit for any beauty lover. So next time you're at the Bengaluru Airport Terminal 2, ditch the boring airport routine and treat yourself to some SSBeauty magic. I promise you, it's worth it. P.S. Don't forget to tag your airport haul on Insta. Looks like it's time for my flight, you guys. Goodbye and happy shopping. Make sure to like, follow and subscribe this channel for more such beauty insights.